In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in Gothic 1 Remake. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under File, select the latest version. Once download done, select the exe file. Select the yes option. And you need to start the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna set the game speed to 2.5 and move speed to 2 times faster, and then get back to the game. And as you can see, the cheats are working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.